I'm going to go through the steps for how to record a short video of yourself and how to turn that in Classroom. We're going to use this extension. It's called Webcam Record. It's very easy to use, but the first time you do it, there's a little bit of setup. So click the extension and you will see there's only two options, and one of them you can't even pick. So click Start, and that usually will start recording right away, but the first time it's going to ask you some things. So select your account, and then you can allow it because this is a safe extension. And then down in the lower right, it's waiting to record, but you have to give it access to your microphone and camera. So I will allow that. Then you can see that it is recording. So you would answer whatever question your teacher asked, and then when you're done, click Finish. Now, what that does is it saves it in your Google Drive in a folder called Webcam Record. You can see my folder here. So if I double click that, there's my video. It's processing right now, but it has been recorded. Now, since sometimes you want to turn it in through Classroom, and sometimes your teacher will give you other directions, let's look at an easy way to share this. If you right-click on that file, there's an option here, the fourth one down, that says Get Shareable Link. I will click that and make sure this switch is on because that's what turns on sharing. And if it is, the link has automatically been copied. So then, for example, in this case, I can add it to my assignment. I'm going to add it as a link, and then I'll paste it here. You can use Control V to paste it, or you can just right-click and paste it and then add the link. Sometimes your teacher will tell you to paste it into a document or maybe into a slide presentation.